Hello friends, welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast hosted by chemistrynotesinfo.com. Dear friends, I am your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. In today's podcast, we are going to learn about aluminium alloy ingots. Friends, aluminium alloy ingots are the initial form of aluminium alloys produced through the casting process. The process involves melting a specific combination of aluminium and alloying elements, then cooling the molten metal to solidify it into ingots. These ingots serves as raw material for further processing and manufacturing of various aluminium products. Aluminium alloy ingots are typically identified by their alloy composition, which determines their properties and applications. Different alloys are designed for a specific purpose, such as improved strength, corrosion resistance, or suitability for casting process. The ingots can be further processed through methods like extrusion, forging, rolling, or casting to create a wide range of aluminium products, including sheets, plates, bars, and intricate components of diverse industries such as aerospace, automotive, construction, and many more other industries. Dear friends, the choice of a particular aluminium alloy or its ingots to form any products depend on the intended application and the desired characteristics of the final product. Dear friends, now we are going to learn some general uses of aluminium alloy ingots. So friends, aluminium alloy ingots are very useful in various applications like casting of many aluminium products. These are used in die castings, used in aerospace engineering, used in medical equipment fabrication, and also used in packaging industries. Widely used alloys for all types of die castings. These aluminium alloy ingots are used in aerospace engineering, where aluminium ingots are used to build airframes and aircraft engines, and also used in medical equipment fabrications, where they are used for creating prosthetics and many other useful equipments for medical purpose. These are also used in packaging industries, where they are used to produce cans. Aluminium ingots can be used to make aluminium alloy products. Dear friends, there are so many aluminium alloy ingots, and some of them are as follows, like IM6 aluminium alloy. So the composition of LM6 aluminium alloy is very useful, and it is a popular aluminium alloy known for its good casting and high strength. And its composition includes silicon about 10.5 to 13%, copper about 0.2 to 1%, magnesium about 0.2 to 0.6%, iron about 0.6%, manganese about 0.5%, nickel about 0.2%, zinc about 0.1%, titanium about 0.2%, other elements as per specific requirement of application or final products about 0.05%, and total of other elements not exceed more than 0.15%, and the remaining balance aluminium matter. So these alloys elements contribute to the overall properties of the alloy, such as strength, corrosion resistance, and heat resistance. The specific composition may vary slightly depending on the manufacturer or the specific application requirement. Another important alloy type is 6063 aluminum alloy. So friends, this 6063 aluminum alloy is another very good and useful aluminum alloy. The composition of the 6063 aluminum alloy is that it contains silicon about 0.2 to 0.6%, iron 0.35%, copper 0.1%, manganese 0.1%, magnesium 0.45 to 0.9%, chromium 0.1%, zinc 0.1%, titanium 0.1%, others metals 0.05%, and total of other metals not exceed more than 0.15%, and the balance is fulfilled with aluminum metal itself. So this 6063 is commonly used for extrusion applications and has good corrosion resistance and weldability. The alloy is often used in architectural and structural applications due to its favorable combination of strength, formability, and surface finish. Friends, you can visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to learn about aluminum alloy ingots and many other science and industrial topics. The link of this discussion on aluminum alloy ingots is given in the description of this podcast. You can visit our website to learn science and chemistry. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. If you like our podcast, then do share with your friends and also provide your response on Spotify. Thank you to listening this podcast.